it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in beautiful, fabulous Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip. No police activity here, just a little patrol stuff going on, but I'm outside the Casino Royale, which actually has a Best Western out back. I'll show you some of that. And we'll take a walk around, see what's in there, and maybe I'm going to stop off for a quick bite, some kind of fast food. So come on inside with me, let's check this place out, shall we?
Perhaps the noisiest introduction to any of my videos in the past. Sorry about that. Out back here behind the casino is the actual Best Western, ideally located directly on the Las Vegas Strip. Each of the 152 newly remodeled guest rooms at the Best Western plus Casino Royale offers a tranquil retreat from the non-stop excitement of Las Vegas. Now, I've been walking all day and I worked up quite an appetite, and I can't believe they have a footlong here for $2.99. I'm gonna try that out before this video is over with. Can't really buy anything on the Strip for $2.99. Let's check it out. There's also a Outback Steakhouse here, as well as a White Castle, a Denny's, and the food court where that footlong is also has a Pizza Hut and a Subway, and of course, a Fat Tuesday. And we're coming upon the hotel front desk here. Again, it's a Best Western, and the best thing about this place is no resort fees. Now, Casino Royale is known for their slot machines, but they do have live table games, including blackjack, craps, and roulette.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Well, here we are at the back of the casino. As you can see, this place really isn't that big at all, but here's where that $2.99 foot long hot dog is. I don't think the place really has a name, except it just goes by $2.99 foot long hot dog. Gotta try one out and see what it's like. I might regret it, we'll see. I just put ketchup on mine, that's how I eat my hot dogs. It looked a little over well done, and it was a foot long, but it was skinny. Go ahead and insert your jokes down in the comments, but I do have to say it looked like a glorified Slim Jim.
Perhaps the best deal on the Strip, $6.70 for a foot-long hot dog and a large soft drink. And the foot-long is pretty good, actually. I like the way it tastes.
This is a very short video, and it's a very small place, so what do you expect? I did want to get some shout-outs in before the video ends. One, it goes out to Nutmeg Collectibles, who found Clarice the Miss America crown in one of my latest Atlantic City videos, the Claridge Hotel. Also, Deborah Camacho twice, one for Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl at the Aria, as well as Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl at Harrah's here in Las Vegas. Congratulations, guys.
You know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling sun, you know, and I mean, don't you know? Butterflies all having fun, you know, and I mean, sleep in peace when day is done. That's what I mean. And the soul world's a new world and a bold world for me. Oh, for me.
I have to talk over the musical part or else I'll get a copyright issue and I wouldn't be able to show you the video. So when I get short videos like this, I have a whole bunch of these street acts on my computer and I like to tack them on the end whenever I can. This one's a little lengthy and I was saving it for a video just like this one, which ends way too soon. This was a father and son veteran act. The dad served in Vietnam and I'm assuming the son, the singer, was somewhere in the Mideast. They attracted quite a crowd and they collected quite a few bucks, so I was happy to see that.
Las Vegas, I'm feeling good. Are you feeling good? I'm feeling good. Feeling good. I feel so good.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe. If you don't, we're going to arrest you. And molest you.
Hey ladies, thank you for watching the New York channel. Subscribe to the New York channel, girls. Ring the bell so you never miss any of the man's videos.
Smile. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
If you put a buck in my cup, I am going to shut the up. And you ain't gotta be a baller to give me a $1 You're a douchebag, old man.
I have so much video of these street acts and showgirls and showguys here on my computer. Many of you who have been around the New York channel for a while have seen some of them. Not all of them, because there's some that I've never shown. I am heading to Vegas shortly after my cruise, which is just very soon. It's right around the corner, as a matter of fact. I think next time I go to Vegas, I'll get some more of this footage and then maybe do a compilation video or something like New York Channel's Got Talent, and we can all vote on our favorite street acts. What do you think of that? Leave a comment below.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.